Acrobat.
Adobe Acrobat.
Remember why we're here. The all-new Acrobat needs their next jingle, and we're gonna give it to them.
But we're not just making a jingle, we're creating a PDF PSA.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, now we're flowing. Bring him in.
Kristin Chenoweth.
Oh, it's Chenoweth?
Sure.
I don't think she's right. Wish me luck.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
It's that messy workflow. Wow, I have goosebumps right now.
You are sitting underneath the air conditioning vent.
Oh, yeah.
PDF come, PDF go. What it stands for, nobody knows.
No, it stands for Portable Document Format.
Acrobat Studio.
Feeling creative, so I load up Adobe. Yeah, nothing rhymes with Adobe.
Amazing, Mr. the Rapper.
You can just call me Chance.
Okay, Chance.
Please don't do that.
Modelli, adoriamo usare i modelli.
I love that, but just this time, the Express templates.
Oh, okay. Give me 5 minutes.
Is the video necessary?
I'm not sure.
AI assistant, always by your side. Break down your contracts and finish on time.
Yeah, I'm worried about her.
Now put your PDFs in the air and edit like you just don't care. Ricka, reprise?
Patty, what are you doing?
It is not me.
AI assistant, save me from the depths of
Yes! Well, could you make it sound heavier? I'm gonna go with Chance for sure, and definitely Kristin Chicken Wing.
And definitely the DJ. She was so fire. Or he.
Okay, I know you're the DJ, so just move that here.
I told you I was in the bathroom.
If you were in the bathroom, how would you know they were fire?
Word's really getting around that they were so fire and that they ate, left no crumbs, clean plate. Clean plate club.
DJ Steve,
You're so much stronger than I thought. No! Patty attacked me again.
No, I didn't.